Hello guys, welcome to my class. Today I'm going to show you how to install STAAD Pro in your PC or desktop. So for install the STAAD Pro software, you must have the file. So here is the file. At first open the readme file. It is a it is a text file. Here you can see the instruction clearly. Say if you have any previous version of STAAD Pro, then uninstall it and manually delete the following folder that is held in folder C. Then install Bentley STAAD Pro V8i using this file. So here is the setup. Say this file. Click on the right and click on Run as Administrator. It is version 4, series 4, sorry. You can see here series 4. There also series have available series 6, but it is okay. That will do a job. It will take some second. Now there are the installer. These are the packages. If you want to install Starlink and Pipelink, then click on that, and if you do not, then switch off this. Let's click and then click install. If some of these application is already in your computer, then this process will do not install the file again. First two have already available in my PC, that's why they selective not needed and already installed. Next, accept the license agreement. Then next, select the folder you want to. I'm going to leave it to C. Install on C. Then click on next. Just let it be. Then click on next. Anyone who click on anyone who use this computer. Next, you can install as English unit system or metric unit system. It is just a default system. You can change it after later, after the installation was completed. Take some second. and you must not forget to switch off the internet connection. Okay, it is necessary. No connection. Finish. Now the STAAD foundation, click on next, select I accept the terms in the license agreement, then click on next and select your folder. Let's then click on next, let it the default ones, then click on next. Install this application for anyone who uses this computer. Do not change this username and organization. Click on next and install. It is easy. Here on the desktop you can see the icon has created. Then finish. Now the struct link for STAAD Pro. Then pipe link. No pipe link. All are installed, all the packages, software packages. Then close. Now after finishing the installation process, see, do not launch the program, do not launch the program, run the file license assistance from the following directory. C, let's go folder C, and then hard lock, sorry, S Pro V8i, then hard lock, then run the file license assistant. Here is the file license assistant. Select the color one, not the configuration type ones. It is the application. Select, click on right click and run as administrator. Select all options except first three ones and click on accept. Now select all the folder except the first three ones. Okay, this is STAAD Pro. Select a product STAAD Pro and deselect the first three one and select all other components and click on accept. License information successfully updated. Okay, close it. Then run the STAAD Pro. From desktop, double click, it's a trial period. Okay, let's see what sorry, here is a patch. Click on right click, run as administrator and select STAAD Pro V8i SS4 version 4 and click on apply for activating the software license software. Now your product is activated. Okay, now open the STAAD Pro. See, and here you can see license configuration, British, Britain, US, Asian, Indian. If you just use the Indian code, then deselect the other ones. Okay, so that's how you install STAAD Pro and STAAD Foundation. V8i select series 4. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching